Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to Shishu World. Today we are going to make a very delicious and simple breakfast or snack recipe which you can also give as a light meal to the children. We are going to make a besan and oats chila, very healthy and really quick to make. So first thing that we are going to need are the oats. I've taken the regular quick cooking oats, Quaker or Kellogg's or any regular brand that you use, and I've powdered it in the mixie. No need to roast it, just blend it in the mixer so that you get a powder. Equal amount of besan is also taken. So if it is half cup of oats, half cup of besan. I've taken some vegetables. So finely grated vegetables are here. So we have carrots, onion, tomato and capsicum. We've also taken 1 tablespoon of dahi here. Capsicum also I have chopped very finely, and so are the other vegetables. If you want, you can also blend these vegetables, but very roughly. So here I have salt and pepper. This will be to your taste. If you want, you can also add green chilies or red chili powder. That is all according to your taste. And we will also need some oil. So the first thing we are going to do is we'll mix both besan and oats flour. Besan is nothing but chickpea flour, easily available everywhere. So to this I've added 1 tablespoon of curd and we'll mix. Lightly we'll mix it, and then here I've added the salt. This is as per your taste. Here goes the pepper. If you want, you can add any other spices also if you like them in your chilas. And now we'll keep adding little bit of water at a time, and then we'll make a nice batter. The batter's consistency should be similar to that of a chila or a dosa that we make. So I'm adding all the vegetables. You can also add any other vegetables which you or your child likes. So just mix them well, keep adding little more water till you get the consistency which you are happy with. And just make sure that it's a smooth batter. After that, I've just covered it and I'll keep it aside for about half an hour, 25 to 30 minutes, and then the batter will be ready for making chilas. So here the pan is ready. I've greased the pan with a little bit of oil. And to this, we are going to now pour the batter. As you can see, this is the consistency of the batter that we want. Now, just spread the batter. You can also make multiple small, finger-sized chilas so that your child can just use it as a finger food. So you can make 3 or 4 chilas at the same time. But here we're making 1 chila. Once it starts cooking on the underside, we've just put a few drops of oil on top, and then we'll flip it carefully. Here we can see a nice golden color. This is the kind of color that we want. Cook well on both the sides. Will take a couple of minutes on both sides, and then it will be ready. That's it. You can serve this with any kind of chutney, ketchup, whatever you like. And this is so delicious. It's also very healthy. I'm sure you will enjoy this. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.